Ever since we put them on the market, Oracle Lighting illuminated wheel rings have become one of the best mods you can get on the aftermarket. Our customers have been turning heads for years at car shows and parking lot meets, highlighting their rides and wheels with these attention-grabbing lights. The aluminum rings are designed to install around the rotor and caliper assembly like so. The rings install the same way regardless of wheel size and are 16 inches in diameter. Our rings fit 99% of vehicles on the road, but for some of you out there with oversized front brakes on high-performance late-model vehicles, you may see that the caliper and rotor are too large in diameter for the ring to fit around. In this case, you simply need to install a wheel ring extension on the front ring to increase the overall diameter. Here at Oracle, we offer this as part number 4218, the wheel ring extension kit. But if you're in a situation where you need to fabricate parts yourself in a hurry, you can always use a piece of 1/2 inch by 1/16 inch aluminum flat bar from your local home improvement store. Now let's take a look at how easy it is to install the wheel ring extension. The first step is to cut the zip ties holding the LED strip in place. Then peel both ends of the strip slightly back. Next, drill out the billet holding the wheel ring together. Grab your extension and clamp it in place on one end of the ring. Drill a hole with an 1/8 inch bit, then insert your bolt and tighten it with a nut. Repeat the process on the other end, making sure the extension is flush with the wheel ring. Tighten both bolts one last time, zip tie the LED strip back to the wheel ring, and you're good to go. As you can see, it was a very easy process. It took about 5 minutes from start to finish. For more information, give us a call at 1-800-407-5776 or visit us online at oraclelights.com. Thanks for watching.